Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun spring unboxing haul. I'm excited for this video. I have not really unboxed a FabFitFun haul before because I never really order FabFitFun, but it's something that I just started ordering and I was not disappointed. I'm sorry about the lighting. The lighting sucks. I woke up at 5 p.m. today and it sucks because I slept all day because I had my sleep schedule was really off. But anyways, that's not even a part of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So this year, it's their anniversary year. So the box is got cake all over it. It's really cute. It's I think it's the 10-year anniversary. So it's so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys and show you guys what is in here. First thing I got was this body lotion, but I gave it to my grandma, so I'm not going to be able to show it to you guys. I'll put a picture up right here. It is the Coors, I think Coors or Tours. It's like an olive oil body cream, so that's exciting. And then I got this, and I actually haven't even opened this up yet. I think this is like a beach towel. It's Summer and Rose, so let's open it up and show you. I think this is a beach towel. If it's a beach towel or a beach blanket, it would be really good for when I go to the beach in the summer, because in my city we didn't really have a winter. It's really just been crazy all over the place weather, so Texas straighten it up. But anyways, this is what the blanket looks like. Oh yeah, it's like a beach blanket, but it's this really pretty orange floral print. I'm excited to use that this summer. But like I said, this is the spring box. And then I got the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. And they always be having good skincare products. And this is the packaging. It is so cute. That is adorable. And I've actually heard of Summer Fridays skincare products, but I've never purchased from them. Now I get to try something from them, and that's gonna be fun. And then this is one of the most exciting things that I got. These are the Jonathan Adler Biba set of 2 glasses. Now these are more like whiskey glasses, but I'm gonna use them for my iced coffee because that's what I want to use them for. These are so cute, by the way. Let me open them up. So they look they're little ridged cups, and they're pretty nice. These are good quality cups, and there's 2 of them. So one for today, one for tomorrow, and then you wash them and you redo the process. So that's exciting. I'll let you guys know how I like those. I might make an Instagram story using those, and I'll show you guys how I use them. So excited for that. And then I got this. This is a Zoe Ayla spa headband, Bando spa headband, whatever. I don't really know what this is. Let me open it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's just oh, this is weird. Oh, okay, this is a little headband. I've seen these before. Basically, it's got Velcro, and you put it around your head, and then you Velcro it. So that's exciting. So I have one of these, but not like this, and you can't Velcro it. You just pull it over your head and pull it up like a regular headband. So that's gonna come in handy a lot. Sorry, family emergency. But the last thing that I got was this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, and this is for sensitive skin. I've used a few of the Kate Somerville products, and I've heard these are really good products. So I have another cleanser from them that I don't really use, and then I use their Eradicate their pimple cream, and it's really good too. But this is exciting. I've never used this exact product before, so that's gonna be exciting to use. So yes, that is everything from the spring FabFitFun box this year. They always have different products every season. This is a quarterly box, so basically you get this every season, 4 times a year. And yeah, I know that they had some other things too, and you can customize your box and everything, but I wasn't able to because I got on a little bit too late to the game, but I still got some really nice things. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.